The Perfect Prompting AI Thanksgiving Meal, a recipe for AI success. Welcome back to the kitchen. Have you ever had a frustrating moment trying to build something perfect? Today, we're sharing the Thanksgiving secrets to cooking flawless content with AI. Welcome, prompt chefs. Thanksgiving is upon us, and today, we're not cooking turkey, we're cooking a perfect AI result. Every course, from the appetizers to the digestifs, is a lesson in perfect communication. Part 1. Appetizers and aperitifs, the initial request and defining intent. We begin with the welcoming course, our first prompt. Our earliest requests, like make an image with this text, resulted in cross-contamination, where words were misspelled and lists were mixed up. This is why you must set your flavor early. Asking for yellow, orange, and beige style is the toast. It sets the tone. Part 2. The turkey, the core content. The turkey is the main event, the core content. This is the part that absolutely cannot be messed up. We use the Turducken Hack. We send the AI the pre-made, perfect schedule image. This is the foolproof, fully cooked turkey that guarantees the correct shape and words. Part 3. Stuffing and trimmings, the complex details and quality checks. Now we season, stuff, and trim the meal. These are our detailed constraints. We add the complex flavor instructions. Only make one tall column, no distractions, don't use green. We learned that the trimmings, colors, must not overwhelm the turkey, the schedule text. The beige and brown dominate to ensure the content stays clean and readable. Part 4. Desserts, pies, the final polish. The dessert is our high-reward, low-risk course, the moment of triumph. This is the sweet victory of the final prompt. Now that the content is perfect, turkey, and the style rules are clear, trimmings, the final request is simple. Apply the yellow and orange accents to this perfect final image. A simple, beautiful task that finally works flawlessly. Part 5. Coffee, tea, digestifs, the conversation and lesson. Time to sit back, relax, and discuss what we learned. We discover who was the real teacher. The computer trained the user to be clearer, and the user trained the computer where its code failed. It was a partnership. The smooth finish that aids digestion is the most powerful secret. Incremental prompting. We didn't ask for the whole meal at once. We built it piece by piece, bit by bit, to ensure the AI chef could focus on one small task at a time and deliver a perfect result. Happy prompting day, everyone! Time to sit back, relax, and savor the lessons. We didn't just cook a meal. We learned the ultimate recipe for AI success, incremental prompting. Remember, the smooth finish that aids digestion is the most powerful secret. Don't ask for the whole meal at once. Build your perfect result piece by piece, and you'll always have a flawlessly cooked result. Your resilience in training the AI is the key ingredient to momentum. Now, before you go, let me know in the comments what was the craziest mistake your computer chef ever made. Share your stories. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons on mastering the digital kitchen. Happy prompting, everyone. Your Thanksgiving meal is served. Bye-bye.